Your job is tough, so you need tools that can keep up. To address this need, DJI introduced the Matrice 200 series, the ultimate platform for aerial productivity. Now, meet the new Matrice 200 Series version 2, with upgraded durability and versatility. We started with the intelligent control systems, extending flight range to up to 8 kilometers, and ensuring data precision across modules, including the RTK modules. Flight safety and data security are our top priority. That's why we've tested the M200 Series V2 rigorously. It can operate in less than ideal environments and give you awareness of nearby aircraft so you can fly safely in almost any condition, while your critical mission information is protected by sophisticated data encryption. We have engineered the M200 Series V2 for the future, fit for your everyday tasks, no matter how tough.